Those shoes, those pairs, take them also. I'm coming. Relax. No. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me alone, Zara. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. See, this girl is attacking me in the room. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me, let me go. Please. Zara, leave me alone. Leave me alone. I said leave me. Please. Leave me. Leave me. You wanted this. This is what you wanted. No, you wanted it.
Would have opened.
No, this is what you wanted. This is what you wanted. No. The what you put me through today.
You wanted it.
It was okay.
You wanted it.
Zara, leave me.
No.
Why can't you leave me now? What am I doing to you? What have I done to you now? Leave me, I beg. Leave me. You don't tear my clothes.
You haven't seen what you've done to me.
Leave me.
No.
Zara, you leave me.
You haven't seen what you've done to
You
me.
leave me.
I will not.
Leave me, let me go.
No.
Let me go. What is it for now? It's over already. I beg, leave me. Leave me. Leave me, please. Let me get out. Please, leave me. Zara said, leave me, please. I don't want to fight you. Leave me. Look at this girl, what she's doing. Zara, you leave me, please. Leave me. Leave me. This girl, what's wrong with her?
Madam.
I don't want you. I don't want you again.
I don't want you to.
You leave me then, please. Let me go. I beg, let me go.
Don't fight, madam.
Please let me go, Zara. I don't want this.
You come here, we sort our
I don't want to sort
Are we
anything.
going to sort our money outside? He comes in here to sort our money.
Leave me.
You come here.
Leave me.
We sort our money.
You leave me. I found the look.
Come in here, we sort our
Look at her.
Look at her.
Look at her.
Look at her how. You can.
You will not disrespect me. You will not disrespect me the way.
locked me
Hold on.
outside.
You will not disrespect me the way you have done. You called my mother a bitch. You insulted my father. You insulted everybody which you have not even seen in your life. You insulted and you embarrassed me in front of my house. Even the gate man was telling me, how can you be with such a woman? Pastor, my friend,
I don't care about your friends.
I called somebody to calm you down. You hit him with a stone.
I don't care.
He got 4 stitches on his head because of you.
I don't care about your
You
friends.
don't care about him.
I don't care.
He didn't care.
I don't
It's
care.
okay.
The only person I care about is you.
Zara, let me tell you one thing.
Your friend could
Zara,
not be
let me
in my
tell you
house
one thing right
when
now.
I cannot even access
Let me
it.
tell you one thing. I am done.
Everything was carried
Zara,
outside
please
Zagori.
forgive me. Let me be out of this relationship.
I cannot.
Zara, it's not by force. I cannot love you by force.
No.
You want me to bribe you? I don't want.
know.
Zara, I don't
Sit
want to
down,
be
baby,
with you.
sit down.
I'm not going to sit down. I'm not going to sit down. I don't want to sit. I'm going to call your mom now to explain. Even if to go there, I'll go and explain to her why.
Please
and I'm going
no.
to show her evidence of everything you have done today.
Please no.
I don't, Zara, I don't want to be with you. I saw to my mom life. I don't
Baby,
want. I don't
baby,
want.
baby.
Zara, I don't want.
Do I beg you sometimes? No.
No. No.
If I'm begging you
Even if you're
today, I've
begging me,
made a
it is
mistake.
not going to work now. Because they have already, now everybody on this street, no, my mom is a bitch. Everybody, all the neighbors, they are
Don't remember
parties.
speaking about
You
your
don't
mom.
remember? Okay, let me bring the tape
No,
for you.
don't
No,
go.
you wait. Zara.
Don't go.
Zara, please.
Don't go.
If I am lying, you go ask Jose what you have done.
I'm
He will
sorry,
explain to you today
darling.
everything. Don't tell me you don't remember. Please, I
I'm
beg.
sorry. I made a mistake.
No.
I was drunk. So
Zara,
drunk.
this is not the first time you drink. You behave like this all the time. I don't want to be. Zara, look, I'm not comfortable in this relationship anymore. Honestly, I don't want to be with you. I just want to move on.
I will love you.
I want to find somebody who's
Please,
not
baby,
understand.
don't push me. Baby,
Zara, you leave me. I don't want you to touch me. You talk. You stay away. Because the police said that you should not touch me.
Baby,
You stay away.
please.
Zara, I don't want.
Baby.
I don't want. Zara, you don't love me. If you love me, you will not insult my mom in front of everybody.
I swear I don't
No.
remember doing
No.
that.
No.
What did you do to me that
No.
I started insulting you?
No.
You're only considering me,
No.
but you're not considering yourself.
Zara, you know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to let you stay here because now
Baby,
Pep is coming.
there's
You leave
nothing
me.
I'm going to
You're
do.
going to stay here.
No, I don't
Okay?
want to stay here.
No, you're going to stay here. Tomorrow morning, I will come. I'll call your mom to come.
Please, no.
No, we'll sit
No.
down. We'll sit down. We'll work out the difference, and I'll tell her this is the reason why I am out.
No.
Yes.
No.
For now, you sleep here. I'm
no,
going.
baby, I don't
Zara,
want.
you leave me, Zara.
Baby, you're the only man
I don't
love.
want. No, I am
You're
not.
the only
You said you can
person
replace
I
me.
love.
You can
How
replace me
can
1
I
hour.
replace you?
That's what you have said before.
I
So
cannot.
You call your man. Tell him to come sleep
You
in
know
my
what
bed.
love is.
It's okay. I don't want to know anymore. I've quit. I
Please,
don't.
I
Well,
love
beg.
you.
Sarah, why can't you leave me now? Is it not by you just do your things
I
now?
cannot. Not without you in my
Zara,
life.
I don't want.
Babe,
Yes, I don't want.
babe,
I don't want.
I love you.
Zara, you leave me. Zara, it's not going to work anymore. I'm telling you.